Your age, as you said, that 78, right?
Yes. Mm.
But ma'am, by seeing your face, I can't imagine that, you are of, you can say this age. You are,
Thank you.
so what is the secret of this?
Why are you learning English?
Ma'am,
Why are you studying it better? I mean, you already speak English, but why are you wanting to improve your English?
as you know, ma'am, that we had a conversation like, maybe 5 minutes aware of my English, that how it is. So I think there is some, in some point I'll just stuck. So I just want to remove that.
Ah, okay.
So
That's
ma'am,
something.
your age, as you said, that 78, right?
Yes. Mm.
But ma'am, by seeing your face, I can't imagine that, you are of, you can say this age.
Thank
You
you.
are
Thank you.
looking younger than that age, right?
I appreciate that. I'm not sure why, but it makes me feel good to look younger. Thank you very
That's
much. My
my,
mother is still alive and
oh,
she is
great.
98.
Ooh. That means I think, ma'am, you in the morning doing yoga and something, huh?
This is my mother.
Oh, she is also, not looking that she is 98 years old.
No, she doesn't. She doesn't. So, oh, and right now, today, she lives with my brother in Florida. And
Oh, okay.
today I got a message he had to take her to the hospital. She
Oh,
wasn't breathing well, so she's in the hospital right now. My family is a little worried about her. So I hope
hope
she
for the
gets
good,
well.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We prayed that, your mother is, you can say, very early recover from that. So don't worry. We just
Thank you
prayed.
very much. Yes, yes, I do. I pray to God all the time for her. Thank you very much. Um,
So,
so
ma'am, I think, as you said that you are 78 something and your mother is 98. So what is the secret of this of this
I
young?
I don't know. One thing is that neither one of us smoke, no smoking, and no alcohol, no drinking. I think that helps. The alcohol and smoking give you a lot of diseases, so we
Right.
don't either one smoke or drink. Stay active. I still love to get out and walk, and my hobby is
Yeah,
bird
that is
watching.
that is the secret, that
So
you do physical activity like that, huh? Like
yeah,
yoga,
and
something.
learn and always learning something. That is
Right.
very, very important to keep your brain young, like you are improving your English and preparing for a new career. So
Yes.
yeah, um, all of these things.
Yes,
But
ma'am. Every day a person should be learn new things.
yes, a person should learn new things.
New things. Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
That is
should
the
learn.
worthiness of his life, if
Yeah, yeah.
he or
Mm.
she do that.
Right. We have a term in the English called a lifelong. Oh, I can't type. Lifelong learner, a lifelong learner.
Yes, a person should be a lifelong learner. In a single sentence, we can say this.
Yes, very much. So, what is something besides your job that you would like to learn?
Okay. Uh, Ma'am, beside my job, as I said that I'm learning this second language, as my first language is Hindi. So this thing, and I also just learn the new, you can say, the new things that I see from any human being. That is a very good thing, or that can help in my future. So I can also adapt that thing in my general life, or you can say in my personal life.
Yeah, that's wonderful. Very good. I
Yes,
like
ma'am.
that. Uh, I guess I'm really interested in history and archaeology, and
Oh,
so I
great.
al reading about the old buildings and the old places and what happened, and, um So I like to make
I
those.
also like history subject, ma'am, because in
Yeah,
history we get to know about the historians and you can say the rulers like
yeah.
that.
Yes. There's a famous man said, if we do not learn from history, we are, I can't type, we are doomed to repeat it. And nice to
Okay.
meet you, Pooja. Please come back to see me. Have a great day. Bye bye.